south east 1 foot at 2 seconds and south 1 foot at 6 seconds. Bay and inland water.
Have you gotten one of these yet? You need to get an emergency radio. With all the wild weather conditions, fires in California, and now they're having heavy rains, which may cause floods and mudslides, snow, heavy snowstorms. It even snowed in Florida last week. In Florida, it snowed. And then got earthquakes. There was an earthquake in northeast United States. Unheard of. You need an emergency radio. You need a radio so that you can keep contact with the outside world. When the power goes off and you can't watch TV, you need an emergency radio. Now, what this radio has, and this radio is sold by this company right here. It's on sale for $20.99 on Amazon. And what you need, or what you get with this radio, and you can get some other one, but you need an emergency radio. This one is AM, FM, shortwave from 5.7 megahertz to 17.9, and the weather band. It has a 4,000 milliamp rechargeable battery. It's another thing that you need is rechargeable battery and a way to recharge it. This one you can recharge using a solar cell right here. You can use the crank charger back here. You can use the USB port and charge it with a USB adapter. Really, really convenient. Lots of good stuff. Has a light. That's another thing you need is a flashlight. Got 2 modes. Also, you can have it send a SOS signal. So in case you're buried in rubble, people can find you. Oh, and of course it has the NOAA weather and NOAA alerts. So you can set it up if you got potential bad weather, whatever coming, you can set it up to issue an alert to awaken you and let you know bad things are coming. Now, if you don't have NOAA weather stations near you that you can receive, you can still use AM and FM to receive the latest status. The big thing is you can also use this to charge your other devices, especially like your cell phone. That's another thing you need. Keep that cell phone going, keep the communications going. Has not only the light on the side, it has, if I get my finger under here, it has a reading light. See that? Pretty nice. Okay. That's about it. Pretty good size. This is a little bigger than my hand. Pretty good size. Big speaker. Telescopic antenna, which is only maybe 15 inches. So you're not going to receive anything on shortwave unless you're close to a shortwave station. Picks up AM and FM very well. Picks up a lot of stations. It has automatic tuning and storing. So you can push and hold the scan when you're on a band, and it will search for stations and store the stations and or noise. It could pick up noise in memory, and then you can use these buttons to cycle through it. It also has, over here, is ports for TF card and USB stick because it has a player, a music player, audio player. And then again, you use these keys to do that. You have 3 preset that you can set up stations here, your favorite stations. Or after you do a scan, you can just go to presets and then go through the presets. Pretty nice radio. Like I say, very good sound, good quality construction. Again, it's on Amazon right now on sale by this company right here for $20.99. Here is the manual, two-sided manual in English. Tells you everything you need to know. So I can't emphasize enough, you need to have some type of emergency radio. Radio, light, and power source for your cell phone, for instance. You need to get one of these. It doesn't have to be this one, but you need to get one now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.